content that commands what truly builds brand authority in today's time. I'm going to be quickly repeating the topic for all of you. This is going to be about content that commands what truly builds brand authority in today's time. Like always, I'm going to be first introducing our honorable session chair, and then I'm going to be introducing our speakers in alphabetical order. My session chair is a seasoned communications professional, a far-sighted and zealous entrepreneur and true philanthropist with nearly 20 years of dynamic experience across industries. He has some illustrious stints with big media houses of the country, and he's been the head of communications for reality giants DLF Limited and IL and FS. Please give a big round of applause for Dr. Sarvesh Tiwari, founder and managing director, PR Professionals. Give it up for Dr. Tiwari, please, everybody. Thank you so much for joining us over here. I'm now going to be calling up on stage our speakers in alphabetical order. My first speaker, he's the honorable founder of ABC Brand Advisory and a veteran advertising creative director with a pedigree of defining major brands like Videocon and Manyavar. Real estate has been his evergreen love. Spread across India's leading real estate developers, 300 plus real estate brands, and across 1,000 plus real estate projects. He has been a speaker and writer on real estate advertising at multiple forums. Please give it up for Mr. Amit Baid, founder and creative director, ABC Brand Advisory. A huge round of applause for him, please. My next speaker has over 17 years of powerhouse experience and has scaled FMCG giants like Rin, Horlicks, shaped disruptors like WeWork India, and now revolutionizes enterprise workspaces at Tablespace, infusing consumer brand storytelling, turn offices into unforgettable experiences, and marketing into measurable revenue. Please give it up for Megha Agarwal, Chief Marketing Officer, Tablespace. Thank you so much. I'll request all of you to please kindly take the seat as per the photo arrangement over there. World of social media, so aesthetics very important, right? So, yeah, so you should, I'll tell the console to put it immediately. My next speaker over here, ladies and gentlemen, has nearly 25 years of experience in the communications and marketing domain. She brings a deep and versatile understanding of the discipline. Her portfolio spans across brand strategy, digital marketing, social media engagement, content development, client communications, event management, sponsorships, corporate messaging. Basically, you say it all, you name it all. She's got all of it over there. Please give it up for Piali Dasgupta, National Director, Corporate Marketing and Public Relations, Knight Frank India Private Limited. Thank you so much, Ms. Dasgupta, for joining us over here. And my next speaker over here brings over 2 decades of experience in global marketing and communications and a demonstrated history of launching new products and categories across different countries. He's a skilled professional in business planning, global brand marketing and business management, and investor relations. Please give it up for Shrutidhar Paliwal, Head Corporate Communications, M3M India Private Limited. Thank you so much, Mr. Paliwal, for joining us over here. Thank you so much to all of you. Can we all clap it up a little loudly for this incredible panel, everybody? Thank you so much, all of you. I'll request, the timer is over here. We can begin, and over to you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I have always been praising you, and he's one of the brightest boy I've ever seen managing the stage. So a big round of applause for him. So कई सालों से मैं इसे देखता आया हूँ. मैं आज भी बोला कि बहुत ही शानदार और मुस्कुराहट बहुत ताकतवर होती है. दैट इज़ ऑल्सो कम्युनिकेशन विच यू डू. सो चूँकि मेरे बाजू में पहले मैंने सोचा था आई स्टार्ट विथ लेडीज़, बट मेरे को तुमने जगह बदला एंड आई विल स्टार्ट विथ समबडी हु इज़ वेरी नियर टू मी. और आजकल खोसला का घोसला पार्ट 2 बन रहा है. सो आप सब लोग जानते हैं कि रियल एस्टेट की कहानी किस किस डायरेक्शंस में जाती है. और अभी हाल ही में 2 बड़े ब्रांडेड रेजिडेंसेस लॉन्च किए M3M ने, एली साहब और जैकब एंड को, एंड बोथ वर वेरी सक्सेसफुल. स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम अ स्मॉल डेवलपर टुडे, दिस ब्रांड हैज़ reached the apex of success in the field of real estate by delivering quality things. And what has been the most important part of the journey? It has been communication and marketing. So I'll start with you. तो खोसला के घोसला की तरह सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज जो मुझे लगता है एक घर बनाने वाले के लिए होता है रेपुटेशन. Everybody is स्क्रूटनाइजिंग यू, एवरीबडी इज आफ्टर यू, सबके स्कैनर लगे हुए, चाहे मीडिया हो, चाहे जनता हो, चाहे अथॉरिटीज हो, रेगुलेटर्स हो. सो हाउ टफ इट इज टू manage all these stuff while being a communicator and a marketing and communication person?
Good afternoon, everyone. Reputation, we all know, is not built in a year, 2 years, 5 years. For real estate, as one of the single largest investment that any of us will probably ever do, besides marrying right, you know, it far goes beyond the cost of an appliance or a car or any other thing. So, media will probe. People are not going to trust unless you've delivered. Any amount of promise that a developer will do, people will still look at a proof. How important a proof is a classic example seen in real estate. आपने कुछ बनाया है, उसको देख सकते हैं, उस प्रोडक्ट से पहले प्रोसेस को समझ सकते हैं, उस प्रोसेस को पढ़ सकते हैं. What we had done at M3M, a very small example. If you are a buyer, would you want to see which stage your building for which you have already invested your hard-earned money, where is it? It's available on the YouTube. When is the update done? Every day. Do you have the right to know कि कौन सा सीमेंट लगा है? Absolutely. Do you have the right to know इसमें कौन सा प्रोडक्ट दिया जाएगा? बात केवल आपके बाथरूम या बात आपके केवल फ्लोरिंग की नहीं है. बट इन दीज टाइम्स, डज द क्लाइंट वांट टू नो what is the product which one cannot see? What is the input? We provide it. Are people happy? Oh, absolutely. Will they trust you before the product is delivered? Still no. So in a way, reputation goes just beyond a logo or a large glitzy ad or the kind of communication that everybody is seeing. You know, so pre-launch dekh lijiye, post-launch dekh lijiye, at the launch stage dekh lijiye. For example, another small little example, people will always be apprehensive. नई building में जाएंगे, इसके बाद क्या होगा? So a small little thing that M3M did, and again it was category defying thing. You picked up a place, you've been handed over the place, now what? We provide, say, logistics. We provide food for the next 15 days. Anything, absolutely anything that you need is provided for, so that all the anxieties, the apprehensions are removed. आपका घर है, आप उस घर को एंजॉय करिए, घर को बनाने में समय लगाइए, ये रेप्यूटेशन है. It will always work. घर की महिलाएं, the women of the house, उनको पूजा पाठ करना है, पूजा पाठ में ध्यान लगाइए. इसमें मत सोचिए कि डोमेस्टिक हेल्प मिलेगी या नहीं मिलेगी. Which I never realized is a huge thing, finding one. So reputation exceeds beyond the logo, the glitzy ads, and the kind of communication that you're doing. Communication is what happens, you know, when you're there, always.
करेक्ट. और तालियों से पता चल जाता है कि कौन आदमी को कितना सुना जा रहा है. और आप सबसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि तानसेन और कानसेन का जब रिलेशनशिप एसोसिएशन बनता है तभी कम्युनिकेशन कंप्लीट होता है. बट श्रुति भाई, आप जो कह रहे थे उस पूरी कहानी के पीछे कहीं ना कहीं एक जो कड़ी है, समथिंग विच जॉइंस एवरीथिंग, इज ट्रस्ट. और ट्रस्ट आज की डेट में अगर हम रियल स्टेट की बात करते हैं तो सबसे बड़ा एलिमेंट है. प्याली, मैं आपके पास आना चाहूँगा कि अगर ट्रस्ट की जब हम बात करते हैं तो आज जब इतने चैलेंजेस हैं तो किस तरीके के कम्युनिकेशन कंटेंट ट्रस्ट को बिल्ड करते हैं या अथॉरिटी ब्रांड की बिल्ड करते हैं? इज इट द लीडरशिप की प्रोफाइलिंग करना, उसको पुश करना, क्रिएटिंग अ लीडर एज अ ब्रांड? डेटा आजकल बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो गया है, तो डेटा ड्रिवन थिंग्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो इज इट डेटा? इज इट एग्रेसिव मार्केटिंग? मैं एग्रेसिव मार्केटिंग से बहुत एवर्स हूँ. आपको दिन भर में, विथ ऑल ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट, हमारा एक क्लाइंट है, नाम नहीं लूँगा, उसके मेरे पास ही 20 मैसेजेस आते हैं कि आप ये खरीद लो, इंश्योरेंस खरीद लो. सो व्हाट इज दैट one thing which you feel is very much responsible for creating this brand authority through content?
I think we have to look at it from two perspectives. पहला पर्सपेक्टिव देखते हैं बायर का. बायर कैसे खरीद रहा है, बायर किसकी सुन रहा है. क्या बायर एड देख रहा है और कह रहा है दिस इज द प्रोडक्ट दैट आई वांट टू? नहीं, उससे उसका सिर्फ इंटरेस्ट पीक हो रहा है, बिकॉज दे आर लुकिंग एट दैट लिस्ट ऑफ एम्यूनिटीज दैट आर देयर. किसी ने घोड़े का अस्तबल लगा दिया, यू नो, एनीथिंग इज पॉसिबल, बट दे ओनली गेटिंग, देयर इंटरेस्ट इज गेटिंग पीक्ड. बट सुन वो उसकी रहा है जिसको वो सबसे ज़्यादा ट्रस्ट करता है, यानी अपने परिवार की या अपने दोस्तों की या अपने एक सर्कल ऑफ इन्फ्लुएंस की. नाउ अ लॉट ऑफ डेवलपर पीपल विल नो दैट वन ऑफ देयर लार्ज hunting grounds are actually corporates. You know, when they go and make a consortium of people, because they know that this is the lot of people that they will trust. They will trust each other. They will rely on each other for information, for the support of making their buying decision. What we were discussing backstage was this is going to be, and even now you said, this is one of the largest decisions you will be making. In certain cases, this is a once in a lifetime decision. So from the buyer's perspective, they are relying on their circle of influence, which can be between their friends, colleagues, family. That's one part of the story. Now let's come to the brands or the company's part of the story. Everything that you mentioned is important. Leadership profiling is important. There are enough examples, again नाम नहीं लेते, जहाँ पे leadership पे बहुत कीचड़ उछला है. But the products are fantastic.
Correct.
Do you go to those products? No, because your leadership is tarnished to an extent where you start doubting the product. So it carries. Data, thanks to ChatGPT, AI, it's available right across. But you still need a partner, and this is not an advertisement, please, like Knight Frank, to tell you what it means. So how do you understand data? But even if you've understood the data, are you relying only on that data to make that decision? You are not. The third is aggressive marketing. I have a midway thought on that. That is the difference between noise and loud advertising. Loud advertising may not be bad, but noise, which is not backed up strategically, which is not backed up by ground reality, that is noise. That will not work. Let's try and understand one basic thing. Even today, no matter how much we try and digitize things, it's not digital. Real estate is still very, very brick and mortar. आप जाके जगह देखना चाहते हैं. आज भी आप अगर मुंबई में हैं तो रेलवे स्टेशन कहाँ है वो ढूंढते हैं. You're right. You're not buying a dream. You are still buying a life product where you see some kind of a future. Therefore, from a communication and a brand communication perspective, I think the brands have now smartened up. Now they are looking at these things. That's why the smarter ones are not getting into that, you know, the heavy lifting on the advertising, paid marketing, but they're relying on subtly changing and communicating their values and their, the benefits of aligning with the brand, not with the product alone. Because like what we said, the brand value will carry much forward. Just एक लाइफ साइकिल में आपको बता दें, आप घर खरीदते हैं, 3 साल डेवलपर के पास होता है. यहाँ पे आई डोंट नो इफ इट इज़ एनी डिफरेंट इन न्यू दिल्ली एंड गुड़गांव. 3 साल होता है, उसके बाद वो तो निकल जाता है, सोसाइटी बना दी, नाम उसका अभी भी वही है. So even when the product does not now belong to the developer, the name of the developer is still there.
Correct.
And that is the reputation which is long term, it is not short term. So I guess from that perspective, people have to understand that the brand messaging has to be subtle and very, very emotional to an end user.
Correct. Completely with you. Uh, so, Megha, you are into a very different field of real estate. We also call real estate, but most of the sector people also want them to call the tech companies, which people have been. But I feel that recently I was trying to get another office in Connaught Place. और मुझे सबसे पहले जो चीज़ मेरे दिमाग में आ रहा था जब मैनेज वर्क प्लेसेस का मैंने सोचा तो मुझे पीस ऑफ माइंड रिलायबिलिटी कॉन्फिडेंस सबसे बड़ा पीस ऑफ माइंड था. तो जब आप किसी को ये कन्विंस करते हो कि यहाँ पे आपको पीस ऑफ माइंड मिलेगा या आप जो भी आप चाहते हो वो हम पूरा कर सकते हैं, इट्स नॉट ईजी टू डू दैट एंड कॉन्टेंट प्लेज अ वेरी वेरी सिग्निफिकेंट रोल इन doing that. So what initiative you generally take to ensure this?
So this is great. I think after talking homes for a while, I'll switch gears to offices, which is your second home really. आप रात को घर पे सोते हो, दिन में ऑफिस में रहते हो. So it's extremely important as a place for the client who's investing in an office and the employees who work out of the offices for the large part of their waking hours in a day. There are two things that have happened significantly in the commercial real estate space. One, the birth of Flex, which Sarvesh is just talking about. 10-12 साल पुरानी इंडस्ट्री है ये, but it's sort of changed the game within the commercial real estate space. And to all the pieces that you rightly said, right? It is about, to me, content and marketing starts from understanding what is missing in consumers' life today. And a lot of times, consumers will not articulate it exactly because they are going by what is happening in their life today. So for example, a very old quote saying, if people had gone back to people who were riding horses and asked, how do you reach from point A to point B faster? They would ask for faster horses, not cars or bikes or two-wheelers. That was a product genesis, a business idea then promoted by marketing, right? So consumers can talk about pain points. Solutions have to come from businesses. And that's how I think Flex really came into the country. They realized that everything in commercial real estate is long-term, very, very difficult to, very, very fixed, very permanent, very difficult to maneuver, and very complicated. Flex breaks down all of that for anybody seeking an office today. आपको 2 सीटर का ऑफिस चाहिए, आपको 2000 सीटर का ऑफिस चाहिए, आपको 2 महीने के लिए चाहिए, 20 साल के लिए चाहिए. You want ready to move in, you want custom built. What do you want? We will do it for you. And I think that changed the narrative for a lot of occupiers in the market. What started as a benefit for startups today is loved by enterprises. So 70% of your flex industry is enterprises, and the GCC narrative is true. बाहर से भी जो कंपनियां आ रही हैं, they are also preferring flex because they all start with 30, 50, 100 and scale up to 3,000, 4,000 in 2 years, 3 years, and so on and so forth. So flexibility gives peace of mind, and for that, the narrative across all players in the category today is just landing your proposition very consistently. And what we need to do to differentiate is build credibility. So narrative तो set हो गया, तो सर जब ढूंढने गए कनॉट प्लेस में वो समझ गया कि flex will be good for me, but flex में आज के दिन ना more than 100 operators are operating. Who do I go with? And that's where the brand narrative starts playing. How do I differentiate myself with any other operator? So for example, and I can only talk about myself right now, so ad or no ad, this is what you get. So at Table Space, for example, we are very clear. We work with enterprise clients, right? And the differentiator is once you come into our system, you get something called experience. So we don't just hand over to what Piali was saying very nicely, saying आपका नाम हमेशा रहेगा building पे, इसलिए हम occupier का हाथ छोड़ते ही नहीं हैं. So operations are also managed by us, where day to day your employees are experiencing the coffee served by my team. They know that Sarvesh is lactose intolerant. इनको almond वाली coffee मिलेगी. So these nuances ensure that once you're in this ecosystem of Table Space, you are not comfortable leaving. You are in a very comfortable space, and this is the narrative you keep building, and you let the consumer experience this, not just through advertising, but real experiences. And our backstage discussion was also this: what is marketing really? It's really evolved. It's not just advertising, it's not just content marketing, it's not just performance marketing. It is from the time you start engaging with a consumer to the time that you are engaging on a day-to-day basis once he's actually become your consumer. So a prospect to a consumer, that entire journey is owned and managed by marketing. And there is not one piece that you can say कि यार मैं ये अच्छे से करूँगी, नहीं आपको सब अच्छे से करना पड़ेगा. That's when the consumer will stick with you and continue to be loyal with you. So that's how I would see this.
थैंक यू मेगा, वेरी राइटली सेड. अमित भाई बाहर जब हम लोग बैठे थे तो इन्होंने बोला, नाम देखा मैंने, अमित वैद लिखा था, BAID. मैंने कहा वैद और वैद एक ही होते हैं क्या? तो ये एक्सप्लेन कि नहीं, अलग अलग होते हैं. पहले मैंने सोचा कि वैद को और खूबसूरत बनाने के लिए इन्होंने वैद कर दिया, बिकॉज ये खूबसूरत बनाते हैं चीज़ों को, और ये क्रिएटिव के आदमी हैं. और इन्होंने अपना कार्ड भी जब दिया तो इट वाज वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द कार्ड विच वी हैव. सो
I've paid him a lot for these promotions.
पर वेट, आई एम कमिंग समवेयर. सो नहीं, बट
I didn't pay enough.
पर क्या है कि आज के दिन जब हम कोई भी चीज़ क्रिएट करते हैं तो उसको खूबसूरत बनाने का काम एक क्रिएटिव साइड, एंड दैट इज़ विजुअल कम्युनिकेशन प्लेज अ वेरी वेरी सिग्निफिकेंट रोल अगेन in any brand promotion and establishing a brand and leading the reputation journey also. पर क्या कभी इस खूबसूरती को बनाने के चक्कर में हम इन्फ्लुएंस करने के बदले सिर्फ प्रीमियम कंटेंट देने में या वीडियो कंटेंट, विजुअल कंटेंट देने में रह जाते हैं, या हम इमोशंस, इम्पैक्ट को बहुत ज़्यादा स्टडी करते हैं और फिर आज के जो कंटेंट आप लोग जो बनाते हो, जो ब्रांड्स को आपने इतने बड़े बड़े ब्रांड्स बनाए, तो व्हाट इज योर प्रायोरिटी एंड वेयर द नीडल इज मूविंग टुडे? क्या यहाँ से इन्फ्लुएंस की तरफ जाने की तरफ जा रहा है, या सिर्फ क्रिएटिविटी और नया कुछ करने की तरफ ज़्यादा जा रहा है? एंड व्हाट इज मोर इम्पैक्टफुल?
Thank you. So many times you see a good-looking woman or a good-looking guy. Sometimes we assume wrongly that good looks are the only thing that that person possesses. There can be much more. So, good-looking advertising is a very basic, superficial thing. Like we are sitting here, we may have made some effort to look okay or look decent. Piali took some 2-3 minutes extra. So, but we are not about those looks. We are about what we talk right here. And if we can influence your thinking in any possible way. So, one fundamental question, what is a brand? A brand is a relationship. You may have 1 million prospective customers. You cannot talk to everyone. So you advertise, you communicate via some channels, and that becomes advertising. So it was, it is, and it will always be about building a relationship. Always. All the technology can come, and this will not change. Good looking advertising is elementary. And when we are talking, when someone tells me कि give me a premium look, मेरा brand premium लगना चाहिए, मैं समझ जाता हूँ कि मैं थोड़े unevolved audience से बात कर रहा हूँ. So it's like saying that I want to marry a girl, she should be good looking. She can't just be good looking, और बहुत कुछ होना चाहिए. So I don't know if I've answered your question.
हाँ, नहीं, मैरी ए गर्ल वाला तो बहुत अच्छा था. इनफैक्ट यहीं से शुरू हुई, आज काफ़ी इस बात पे चर्चा. मैंने कहा कि अगर एंटरटेन ना हो हमारे जो लोग श्रोता हैं, पीपल हु आर हियर, ज्ञान तो गूगल पे भी बढ़ता है. तो हम ये भी प्रयास साथ साथ कर रहे हैं कि आप लोगों को अच्छा लगे. अदरवाइज इट्स मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम इट्स बोरिंग. 4 लोग ज्ञानी बैठ जाते, वो सोचते हैं आज ही सारा यहाँ इनको दे के जाना है. सो हम इस, आई वॉन्ट अप्रिसिएशन फ्रॉम योर साइड ऑन दैट पॉइंट एट लीस्ट. तो श्रुति भैया, जो मैं जानता हूँ, जिनको जैसे मैं शुरू से भैया कहते हैं, तो मैं आई डोंट माइंड, मैं अंग्रेजों की तरह नहीं हूँ. मैं आज भी चिट्ठी लिखता हूँ तो मैं जिसको प्रणाम लिखना है प्रणाम, लिंक्डइन पे भी आई डोंट फॉलो एनी रूल्स, आई हैव माई ओन रूल्स। अगर पिताजी को पिताजी कहना है तो पिताजी ही कहेंगे, सामने आके नाम लेके नहीं पुकार देंगे। ये भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है जो आपने बोला, रिश्ते बहुत अहम हैं। और आज के ज़माने में कंटेंट इज़ अबाउट स्पीड, कंटेंट इज़ अबाउट एक्सेजरेशन, कंटेंट इज़ अबाउट किलिंग अदर्स ऑल्सो। ऐसे में क्रेडिबिलिटी बनाना कितना मुश्किल हो गया है, स्पेशली फॉर अ रियल स्टेट ब्रांड।
बहुत डिफिकल्ट है। At the same point in time, just one little thing will sail you through. One is transparency. In anything that one is doing, especially for a real estate brand, if you are transparent with your immediate customer, your investors, your facility management guys, the entire ecosystem, you need to be transparent. There is no way to generate trust besides being transparent. You know, and you know, just to go a little beyond just the debate about creating trust, or you know, getting away from the glitzy advertising like you had mentioned, to create something which is extremely good looking, आपको ये सब जगह दिखेगा, especially in real estate. Again, because the cost of acquiring the property is so high that it is easily managed. अच्छा, बहुत खूबसूरत सा ब्रोशर, बहुत खूबसूरत सा वेबसाइट, बहुत खूबसूरत सा ग्लिट्जी से promotions, you will find it everywhere. But देखिए, is your leadership available? Is your leadership accessible? Will there be a team which will stay with you? Is it trustworthy? Has it delivered? 100 में से 95 छोटे builders क्यों छूट गए हैं पीछे? क्योंकि they have not delivered. ट्रस्ट का एकमात्र मापदंड डिलीवरी है रियल एस्टेट के अंदर. Have I promised something and have I gone ahead and delivered 100% on that promise? And if I have perhaps not delivered 1% and I have been there at 99%, am I making enough efforts to get to that 100% to my entire ecosystem? And I think, please understand that in the Indian real estate industry now, especially with the branded residencies, there are brands coming in here which value a lot of transparency, which value that should it be 1 to 100 as a process, you'll have to follow 1 to 100 as a process. Getting a Trump residency, is it easy? No. Getting a Jacob and Co. to their entire, to the hilt. They are creative, they mean business, but you have to follow a certain process. Trust is one of the major leveling benchmarks for it. Have you delivered what you've said earlier? Getting an Elisab, is it easy? No, it is not easy. Getting all the other brands, whosoever is trying very hard to generate branded residencies. And please understand, what is happening right now in the branded residency space is going to come to the regular non-luxury real estate as well. You will have to showcase that you've delivered. And I think there cannot be any other point bigger than the delivery.
करेक्ट. प्याली, मैं इसी को एक्सटेंड करना चाहूँगा आपके साथ.
Can I interrupt you once? I thought getting a Trump residency can be easy. You just have to say he stopped some wars.
So, another
You can
point
go to Venezuela
Sorry.
also and buy it.
प्याली, so जो आजकल वायरलिटी का हर जगह चल रहा है, समथिंग रिलेटेड टू सेम क्वेश्चंस, वायरलिटी वर्सेस क्रेडिबिलिटी. और मैं ये देखता हूँ कि हर इंसान वायरलिटी भी मांगता है. वो समझता है कि वायरलिटी से क्रेडिबिलिटी बनेगा. चूँकि आपका स्फेयर बहुत बड़ा है, आप मतलब यू आर मैनेजिंग द एंटायर एम्बिट. आप नॉर्थ भी देखते हो, साउथ भी देखते हो, बाहर भी, ग्लोबल भी आपकी पास इनपुट्स होते हैं. सो हाउ डू यू फील दैट क्या रीजनल भी वेरिएशंस है वायरलिटी और क्रेडिबिलिटी में, या credibility is more important than virality? Virality is not, we cannot say that it is completely insignificant, but कितना importance है, I would love to hear from you.
सो अगेन बात आती है कि वायरल होता क्या है, ठीक है. इज़ 10 मिलियन व्यूज़ वायरल, इज़ 100 मिलियन व्यूज़ वायरल, वो क्या है? एंड देन व्हाट इज़ द प्रूफ ऑफ दैट पुडिंग? इज़ दैट इवेंचुअल सेल्स. मार्केटिंग का इवेंचुअल सक्सेस कहाँ आता है? सेल्स में आता है, ठीक है. तो अब आपने सेल्स अगर आपने नहीं किए तो वायरलिटी करा दो, क्या फ़र्क पड़ेगा? यू नो, इट जस्ट यू विल टेल मी बेटर कितना पैसा लगता है किसी एक को बनाने में, वायरल बनाने में.
See, one, it is not just about money. It can be managed by money in many ways.
Yeah.
That is there. But I think मेरा दो पैसा इसमें ये है कि there is something about being famous and something about being important.
And that's where I was. That's why I asked you that
So,
question.
Rakhi Sawant may be more famous, but Abdul Kalam is more important.
So you hit it
Not
right.
compare both.
No, this
No, but
this
it's a good comparison, I think.
every
मतलब
time.
एग्जाम्पल भी नहीं देना चाहिए मेरे को, तो ऐसा लगता
नहीं ये एग्जाम्पल बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. ये इतना एलिमेंट्री एग्जाम्पल है विच आई हैव टू गिव टू माई सन ऑल द टाइम. वेन एवर आई से समथिंग, बट पापा ही हैज दीज मैनी व्यूज, ही हैज दीज मैनी फॉलोअर्स. सो वो नंबर ही सब कुछ नहीं हो सकता है. जस्ट फेमस होना और इम्पॉर्टेंट होना, दो कितने बड़े डिफरेंस है. एक इडियट प्रूफ एग्जाम्पल मेरे को लगता है ये अच्छा है, आपको भी काम आएगा.
So what he said is great, okay? Because यहाँ पे बात आ जाती है credibility की. आप viral हो जाएंगे बेशक. There are so many things that have gone viral, but are they credible? We have seen products, especially consumer products, which have gone viral and then have failed badly, miserably. For all those who watch Shark Tank, they know what I'm talking about. So credibility के base पे viral है, great. But only virality will not go a long way. I mean, it's the writing is on the wall. अब इसके आगे अगर हमें देखना है तो one needs to understand, again go back to the drawing board, understand where are your customers, who are your customers, decision makers कौन है, influencers कौन है, circle of influence कहाँ से आ रहा है. Now one has to understand their audience before they can start making all these kind of you know, even desires to be viral. So if you are in the sphere where your demand is, then it's great that you're viral, that 10 million people are watching you. That's great. खरीदेगा कितना, sales funnel कितना बनेगा, वो तो देखना ज़रूरी है ना. Because again going back, you have to sell.
करेक्ट, अग्रीड. सो इसी को आगे लेके, क्योंकि टाइम भी हमारे पास है बहुत लिमिटेड. मेगा, जैसा पियाली कह रही थी और अमित भाई ने भी कहा कि क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है, इम्पोर्टेंस ज़्यादा या पॉपुलर या फेमस होना ज़्यादा है. पर आप चूँकि आप किताब भी लिखे हो अभी, आप लोग प्लीज़ जाइएगा और आप बताना अमेज़ॉन पे है जहाँ पे है. शी हैज़ रिटन एन एक्सीलेंट बुक and you are also very equipped with the data thing, so you understand data more than probably all of us. So engagement को जब हम मापते हैं तो कोई तो मेट्रिक्स होगा जो बताता होगा कि ये engagement से ब्रांड अथॉरिटी या ब्रांड की वैल्यू बढ़ रही है. So what is the process like and how important it is?
Sarvesh, you've brought the discussion in such a it's very interesting, even to this point of virality versus credibility. I was recently talking to a bunch of students at a college, and marketing is such a wide subject to explain. Sometimes you have to go to brass tacks. And I think it's okay to be famous like Rakhi Sawant or credible like, let's say, Prime Minister Modi, agar unka objective wo hai. So she's built her brand, and sorry to sound different on the forum, but Rakhi Sawant is a brand in her own sense. वो ऐसी ही है. Urfi is Urfi. And she has built a brand on that, and that is her brand. The moment she tries to act like a Modi or a Shah Rukh Khan, she will collapse. Try seeing Modi as a Rakhi Sawant or an Urfi. This is the exact example I gave. So you have to define who you are and stick to it. And that's a large part of branding. And as long as you're sticking to that narrative, and within that, thank you. And within that, you're doing whatever it takes to ensure that you're consistently making yourself famous. That is our job as marketeers. Yeah, I will do tooth and nail to ensure if Table Space stands as the most differentiated, experience-driven brand in the category, I will do whatever it takes in my brand book to make sure that I'm famous and the most preferred brand out there. The problem happens when as marketers we lose track and say कि हम virality के लिए कुछ भी करेंगे. I think that is the fool's trap and the marketer's fool trap saying उसने वो किया मैं भी ये करूँगी. मेरे लिए work करेगा क्या? I think that is an important checklist that I have to play. But every brand needs to stick to their core. In my experience, and I've worked across FMCG, I've worked across brands like Fair and Lovely, which have seen transition to a time when Fair worked to when they had to change the name to Glow. You have to understand how your audience is adapting. Change your narrative, but still stay to your core. वो आज भी गोरेपंते की ही क्रीम बेच रहे हैं, but their narrative has changed to what consumers want to listen, so that the brand continues to grow. So as marketeers, you have to be very clear about who you are. It's about your persona as well, right? I mean, for me, marketing, and I've always loved marketing as a subject, building a brand is like raising a child. आप उसको एक value system दे रहे हो, आप उसको एक tonality दे रहे हो, you're giving him a cultural system. Your child starts operating a certain way, you've built a persona. The moment you start acting against the persona, like, इसकी तबीयत ठीक है? Is he okay? Something's wrong. That's where credibility breaks. So as marketeers, and a lot of time for CMOs, when we join new companies, we're like, yeah, let's do something different. Why? What's wrong with the current brand? A large part of our job is to ensure we understand the ethos of the brand and grow it. Virality to me, I quite love it, but if done right. Because as marketing, हमारा काम वही है कि brand को famous करो. Sales is my eventual goal, but I'm also working on brand valuation, brand love, brand trust. Coke generates business, sales, yes, but Coke brand value is more than the sales it generates. So that's the power of marketing for me.
Very, very nicely narrated. Thank you, Megha. अमित भाई, आज जब हम ad देख रहे होते हैं तो बहुत बार people enjoy skipping ads और story telling पे बहुत बार focus रहता है. But क्या traditional जो हमारे advertising थी उसकी significance थोड़ा कम होते गया है, और अगर ब्रांड अथॉरिटी क्रिएट करना है तो क्या नई चीज़ें आपको लगता है ये पहले तो क्या कमा है पहले से? क्योंकि अभी भी मैं देखता हूँ कि खास करके रियल एस्टेट में होर्डिंग के बहुत OH इज़ स्टिल वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट. कहीं ना कहीं वो परसुएसिव टेक्निक्स हम उस पर अलग अलग तरीके से इमर्सिव 50 चीज़ें आ गई हैं जिसको हम यूज़ करते हैं. पर थोड़ा ज्ञान कि नई चीज़ें क्या आ रही हैं, क्या होना चाहिए, और ट्रेडिशनल को कैसे अमलगमेट करते हैं आप लोग क्रिएटिव साइड पे जिससे कि ब्रांड अथॉरिटी बनी रहे.
बिफोर आई गेट टू दिस पॉइंट, एक पॉइंट श्रुतिधर साहब का था कि डिलीवरी इज इक्वल टू ट्रस्ट, या डिलीवरी से ही ट्रस्ट बनता है. सो मेरा इसमें एक थोड़ा सा एक डिफरेंस ओपिनियन है कि delivery by itself will not build trust. Then advertising will be out of business. So you deliver and then you are able to communicate about it. Who you are, what you have done, what you intend to do, all that communication is very important. Otherwise, trust नहीं बनेगा. मतलब, you know, जंगल में नाचा मोर किसने देखा? You may be very good, but I don't know you. So that is one thing. And what is the difference between traditional advertising and advertising today and advertising tomorrow? I see only one difference: attention span. We don't have the patience, we don't have the attention span. So a lot of movies that would have worked earlier don't work anymore. A lot of advertising campaigns that would have worked earlier won't work now. You have to catch attention very fast. That's the only difference to me. Otherwise, it is, how do I look interesting? As a person, if I ask you, how do I look interesting? I will look interesting if I am interesting. If I become a person who knows something, who wants to know something, who asks questions, who has some answers. So, when you genuinely have a story to tell, you will catch attention. And when you don't have that, you are a boring person. So your brand is going to look boring.
Very rightly said. Yeah.
I'll take this chance to put in a very small little question to Sarvesh ji and to Piali. Now, for the last close to about 7 odd years, 7, 8, we've been seeing that, one of the largest car companies, Tesla, Elon puts this on his Twitter or X now and suggests that a new car with this dimension, this performance will be available, please book. For example, let's just say an Indian example closer home. Mr. Anand Mahindra also suggested the same thing. He's also got a significant following. A real estate brand about 8 years back sold a lot of apartments in Palava out of just communicating through an X, then Twitter. So very confusing. Do we see any such storytelling happening in the real estate sector? That this is a product, you are welcome to come and see it. Once you've seen it, this is the amount, please pay, get out, you will get it in 4 years. That's about it.
So, चूँकि टाइम कम बचा है, मैं कंटेंट से इसको बताने की कोशिश करता हूँ कि कंटेंट, सक्सेसफुल कंटेंट क्या होता है? आपके पहुँचने से पहले अगर पहुँच गया और आपके सवाल पूछने से पहले अगर आपको जवाब मिल जाता है तो उसको कहते हैं कंटेंट सक्सेसफुल हुआ। और किसी भी बिजनेस और किसी भी प्रोफेशन में अगर हमने ये रूल फॉलो कर लिया कि हम पहुंचने से पहले हमारी प्रसिद्धि, हमारी बातें, हमारी अच्छाइयाँ मेरे आने से पहले अगर पता चल जाता। कभी कभी मैं स्टेज पे चढ़ता हूँ तो शुरू करता हूँ, जब मैं हार्वर्ड में 3 लेक्चर्स दिया और चौथा लेक्चर जब शुरू किया सारे सुनने लगते हैं। लोगों के दिमाग में अंग्रेजियत ऐसी बसी हुई है, लास्ट में बोलता हूँ मैं कभी हार्वर्ड गया ही नहीं, पर सुनने के लिए बोलना पड़ता है। तो कंटेंट अगर मैं सही में जाता रहता तो मेरे आने से पहले सबको पता होता है कि भाई ये बंदा आ रहा है जो 4 बार हार्वर्ड बोल चुका है, यहाँ बोल चुका है। सो वो बहुत सिग्निफिकेंट रोल प्ले करता है ऐसी चीज़ों में और सक्सेस इंश्योर।
Any global example? Can we sell real estate online?
ग्लोबली येस, बिकॉज बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं उसमें। पहली चीज़ ये है कि बहुत सारे मार्केट्स बहुत स्ट्रक्चर्ड है, उनके पेपर्स, उनका प्रोसेस ऑनलाइन है। It's very easy and the process is very trustworthy. In countries like us, in ours, it's an emotional decision irrespective of when you're buying it. Even for the ultra luxury, there is some emotional quotient attached to it. So at some point, some kind of human intervention is going to happen. So online transaction still hasn't happened in India. And I think we are a very long way away from it. So globally, yes, it is possible. It has happened, especially during COVID. A lot of, if you had followed, UK and all were selling homes like nobody's business. America was selling a lot of it was just online. People weren't really going there. They were just putting their money because they trusted the project, the developer, etc.
And also some municipal corporation in Italy and in Spain did sell those $500 villas.
Yeah,
And many people in the Middle East picked it up. A significant number of them.
सारा खेल वही अगेन कंटेंट का है कि कैसे आप पहुंचाते हो, कैसे पहुंचते हो, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है वो। आरालियाज आज ही हम लोग बात कर रहे थे कि जब डीएलएफ ने कॉन्सेप्चुलाइज किया, गोल्फ कोर्स रोड बनाया, तो उसने बोला एक प्रोडक्ट बनाऊंगा और इसी को मैं दूसरा बेचूंगा। तो आरालियाज वाले मैग्नोलियाज खरीदते हैं, मैग्नोलियाज कैमेलियाज खरीदते हैं, कैमेलियाज डालियाज खरीदते हैं, अपग्रेड करने का, लेकिन वही इकोसिस्टम में रहना चाहते हैं। बट ब्रांड वैल्यू इतना स्ट्रांग है, उन्होंने ऐसा क्रिएट किया जो रह गया। अब चूंकि टाइम इज अप मैम, वो आप फिर भी
मैं एक चीज़ बोल दूं,
वुमेन
आपने जो एग्जाम्पल दिया बॉम्बे का, आपने श्रुतिधर जी, उसमें भी the reputation of the developer was so far exceeding that people were confident that they can go just on the online and then they will deliver. So the base was very strong. That is why they could use the online route for it. But if you have a shaky base, that's not going to happen.
So
One question I want to ask.
क्वेश्चन में तो फिर आंसर बहुत बीत जाएगा, वो सपना
नहीं
जी सामने
नहीं,
बैठी।
क्वेश्चन में आंसर भी है.
अच्छा तब ठीक है।
So what Musk has done to cars, or what Steve Jobs has done to phones, has that happened to real estate? Or do we see that happening to real estate? Till you have that kind of a pull or that kind of a brand, any dramatic change in consumer behavior will be very difficult to happen.
लीडरशिप के अलावा घर एक बहुत ही अलग चीज़ है अमित भाई, जो मैं समझता हूँ वो किसी गाड़ी, किसी हम लोग डिस्कस भी अगेन कर रहे थे, घर बहुत ही अलग चीज़ है। और पूरी ज़िंदगी में कोई एक चीज़ जो आप हमेशा सोचते रहते हो वो घर होता है। गाड़ी वाड़ी सबका नंबर बहुत बार में, वो एस्पिरेशनल है, बहुत ज़्यादा एस्पिरेशनल है। तो इसलिए इसमें बड़े परम्यूटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन रहेंगे और उसको बहुत आसान नहीं होगा कि ऐसी अथॉरिटी क्रिएट हो पाए। जो मेरा मानना है, इट विल बी वेरी टफ टू गेट दैट प्लेस व्हाट यू आर सेइंग फॉर स्टीव जॉब्स एंड अदर गाइज। वो तो हर दिन फ़ोन बदल देता है। आज अभी आप लेके आओगे, बाहर निकलोगे, तब तक अगला लॉन्च हो जाता है। और बहुत आसान है टू चेंज थिंग्स, बट लेट अस रिस्पेक्ट टाइम एज अ कम्युनिकेटर। ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट
We
है
can
हमारा।
take this offline.
हाँ, ऑफलाइन विल डिस्कस। थैंक यू सो मच एवरीबडी, और आप लोगों का बहुत साथ मिला। वी आर प्रिविलेज टू हैव सम लिसनर्स लाइक यू। थैंक यू सो मच एंड थैंक यू एवरीबडी।
And can you have a bigger round of applause for all of them, please? Thank you so much. मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, मैं बुलाना चाहूंगा स्टेज पे Mr. Deepak Sapru, who's the Senior Vice President and Head of B2B 2G Sales GM Modular, to kindly come up on stage and give the token of appreciation to our guests, please. Once again, a big round of applause for Mr. Sapru as well. Thank you. We'll do a group photo of all of them together directly, not individual. Thank you so much. Can I please request all of you to come forward for a nice group photograph of all of you together, please? Ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment while alongside your smiles you need to clap and appreciate as well, so that the positive energy and the smile radiates from you to them. Thank you so much for adding so much value and insights to our panel. We look forward to having all of you the next time.